Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today's video is about homemade pizza sauce. So let's get started.
Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan and let it melt. Also add 1 tablespoon of olive oil so that your butter doesn't burn. Add 1 whole pot of garlic which is finely chopped and let it saute for some time. Wait till your garlic turn little golden brown in color. So our garlic have turned golden brown. To this I will add 1 medium onion which is finely chopped and saute it a little bit. The onions have now turned golden brown. Now I will add half a kg of fresh tomato puree. I have grinded this at home. Add little salt as per taste. We'll saute the tomato on high flame till it starts changing its color. It will basically turn to a little darker red. The sauce has been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll now cover it with a lid and cook on low flame for 15-20 minutes more. So this is how the sauce looks after 15 minutes of cooking. A rich dark red color have come and it has also become thick in consistency. We will now give it a good mix and add rest of our ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coarse red pepper. You can also use chili flakes, half a teaspoon of finely crushed black pepper, and handful of fresh basil which is finely chopped. Now you can also use dried basil here if you don't have fresh basil at home. And finally 1 teaspoon of ketchup. We'll now mix all the ingredients and let our sauce cook for 1 or 2 minutes more on low flame. You can also cover your sauce with a lid and let it cook again for 1 or 2 minutes, which is what I am going to do now. So this is how the sauce looks after a minute. It is now completely done. You can use this sauce for pizza, pastas and in various other recipes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.